नहीं जान, ये है फीवर फिट और ये हमारा पहला सीजन है योगा विद नम्रता, जहां पर आज के इस एपिसोड में आप और मैं जानने वाले हैं स्ट्रेचिंग के बारे में। सच्ची बताओ नम्रता, मॉर्निंग उठते ही बहुत सारे लोग रिलेट ये करेंगे कि द मिनट दे वेक अप, स्ट्रेच तो छोड़िए, सबसे पहले फोन के साथ स्ट्रेच करते हैं। Which I think this lifestyle needs to change.
Absolutely.
और आज हम इसके बारे में जरूर जानने वाले हैं, लेकिन ना एक सवाल आ रहा है, पूछ लूं आपसे?
जरूर।
बॉलीवुड में whom do you feel is the most fittest actor या actress according to you?
Well, there are so many, but what comes to my mind immediately is Ranveer Singh, probably.
Oh, what an energy. Matches with my energy, though I know fitness level is high. I agree. तो रणवीर सिंह भी I'm so sure सुबह उठ के फोन शायद नहीं देखते हो, शायद जो ये अभी हमें टेक्निक सिखाने वाले हैं ऑफ द स्ट्रेचेस वो करते हो। तो देर किस बात की, मैं वहां से आपको देखने वाली हूँ और हम मिलके ये सारे स्ट्रेच वाले एक्सरसाइज सीखने वाले हैं।
Sure.
So let's go.
So when you stretch, Nikki, in life, one has to think of every activity as an opportunity. Everything you do, how you sleep, how you sit, how you eat your food, how you walk, is all an opportunity to stretch, as long as you know how to stretch right. So probably the most important part of this physiological and physical structure of ours is our brain, our spinal cord, and our nervous system, along with all the muscles. In order to remain fit, we need a nervous system which is in place for the rest of our life, along with muscles which are strong and energetic. So for instance, when you sit, it's an opportunity for you to be able to stretch. When you bend forward, you always bend from the base of your spine so that your back remains straight. So whichever way you bend, supposing you're bending forward, you stretch towards your right. You're opening out an opportunity for your spine to stretch well. Remember, whenever you stretch, you must breathe. Keep breathing deeply as you stretch. So just sitting and bending forward is an opportunity. So just the way you bend forward, when you sit, you can bend backward. So when you wake up in the morning, you open up your chest, move your head back, and take in the entire freshness of the morning. This is an amazing stretch for you. Your shoulders move back, your chest opens up, and you are taking in as much oxygen into your lungs as possible. That's a stretch. Okay? When you move sideways, sitting, so you don't need to be sitting in Padmasana. You can be sitting in a normal sitting position, whatever suits you. Just moving sideways, as long as you understand your body alignment and stretch, is also very, very good for you. Stretch sideways. The same way, when you are lying on your bed and you wake up in the morning, one of the best ways to wake up is to bend your knees towards your chest and slowly roll on your spine. It's a wonderful way of waking up your nervous system. Okay? And of course, there's nothing as good for you in terms of your health as getting your head and your brain in an inverse posture, because what that does is that it ensures a maximum amount of blood circulation into your brain area. So any inverse posture, just a lift of your legs. If you're comfortable, then a lift of your hip. If you're more comfortable, then a straightening up of your spine too. So what this asana, which is called Sarvangasana, ensures is that all the blood is moving towards your brain. If you are comfortable, moving your toes backwards and then slowly, of course, coming back and relaxing. This is called Shavasana. This is everyone's favorite posture. I know it is Nikki's.
वैसे ये सवाल कभी आपने अपने आप से पूछा है, जब आप सवेरे उठते हैं तो सही तरीका भी बेड से उठने का क्या है? चलिए नम्रता से ये भी सीखते हैं.
So remember, when you're waking up in the morning, never get up straight because that puts a lot of pressure on your heart. So always, after you wake up, turn sideways and then get up. This is a rule you should follow all the time. Whenever you're in a supine position, always turn sideways and then wake up. There are many stretches which are possible in your bed itself, okay? For instance, you can just stretch your legs forward and then stretch. This is called Janu Shirshasana. And then stretch forward. Remember, always when you stretch from the base of your spine. So, stretch. And then, of course, what you do on one side of your body, you repeat on the other side too. So, you stretch forward like this. And if you're a little more flexible, then the very, very favorite posture in yoga, which is called Paschimottanasana, where you stretch forward straight like this. And once you have stretched forward, it is always good to stretch in the inverse posture also. So your hands behind you and you lift your hip up and push your head back and stretch. You're probably feeling much more awake now. And then you get up and you probably have so many things to do in your house. And that too is an opportunity for you to stretch. For instance, the simple task of picking things up. You know, we try to avoid as much work as possible, but that also is an opportunity to stretch. When you stand and you bend forward, stretch with your back straight. Stretch forward. This is called Padhastasana. As much as your flexibility allows you to, keep your spine as straight as possible. Make sure your abdomen comes as close to the thigh as possible. And then, of course, if you're comfortable with balance, you can place your hands up and make it a little more fun by stretching your leg up and maybe down, and the other leg up and down, and then you're ready for the day.
वैसे कहा जाता है कि आप जो भी पूरे दिन में करते हैं, चाहे अगर फोन गिर गया वो उठाना, पानी का बोतल भी भरना, मतलब हर एक एक्टिविटी आपके लिए एक बहुत प्यार से स्ट्रेच वाली एक्टिविटी हो सकती है. अब कैसे, ये मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, हमारी योगा एक्सपर्ट नम्रता बताएंगी.
तो जब भी आप सामने तरफ स्ट्रेच करते हैं, you have to, as much as possible, also do this in the opposite direction. For that, for you to get balance, stretch your feet apart a bit and आराम से stretch to your capacity as much as you can. You can maybe hold your hands and stretch backward. If you are feeling a little wobbly, you have just started, maybe you can use one hand at a time and learn how to, this will stretch your entire flank, the side. Try that on the other side too, like this. And then, if you are comfortable and there is a wall behind you, maybe you can hold the wall and stretch backwards slowly, slowly. And with time, come back and stretch yourself out. So yoga can be a lot of fun.
तो आज के भी एपिसोड में हमने बहुत सारी बातें सीख ली, और मैं सच्ची आपको बता रही हूँ, और ये दिल से कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, आप जैसा मैंने तो किसी को नहीं देखा है. जेन्युइनली, मतलब योगा आप में ही बसता है फ्रॉम एवरी एस्पेक्ट, व्हिच इज So beautiful.
Thank you. I am levitating.
No, genuinely. और आई होप जब तक हमारा ये जर्नी ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल योगा और जिस तरह से हम आप चीजें सीख रहे हैं, फिटनेस का मीटर हम सबका एकदम बढ़ जाए। और जाते जाते लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा। और अगले एपिसोड में मुझे लगता है जितने लोग ऑफिस जाते हैं, जो आर्म चेयर जॉब्स हैं, उनके लिए भी कुछ स्ट्रेच वाले एक्सरसाइजेस, आसनास हम ये सीखेंगे आपसे।
Thank you, Nikki. Thanks a lot.
कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा कि आपने ये सारे आसन्स बड़े प्यार से ट्राई किए। Stay tuned.